Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier sessions, we had looked into the list and tuple data type. And today, let's go on to the new data type, which is the sets data type. So friends, what are sets data type? Sets are an important data type in Python programming language. Like tuples and lists, sets also are an important data type in Python programming language. Sets are unordered and unindexed collection of data items. So set items are unordered and unindexed. We call them unordered because it does not maintain any order while printing the set. If we create a set with in one order, it prints the elements in a random order. So we say it has unordered and unindexed collection of data items. And thirdly, the data items can be of the same data type or can be of different data types. So it can have mixed data type like a number, a string, a floating value. So it can have mixed data type. It need not be of the same data type. Set items are unique and they do not have duplicate values. So set items cannot repeat itself. It has to occur only once in the set. So they are unique. Items can be added to sets, but existing items cannot be modified. We can add items to the set. Suppose a set has 4 numbers. We can add the 5th item into the set, but the existing item in the set cannot be modified. So we cannot modify the existing items. Since sets are unordered and unindexed, indexing and slicing are not allowed on the sets data type. So since it is unindexed, we can't perform indexing and slicing on the set data type. Set items are enclosed between curly braces. They are represented in between curly braces and the items are separated by a comma. So these are the main features of the set data type in Python programming language. So it's an important data type. It's unordered and unindexed. Data items can be of the same type or different data types. Set items are unique. They cannot have duplicate values. Items can be added to sets, but existing items can't be modified. Indexing and slicing are not allowed on sets data type. Set items are enclosed between curly braces and separated by a comma. So friends, these are the important features of the set data type. Now that we have seen the features of the set data type, now let's see how to create a set. So let's see how we can create a set. So if I want to create an empty set, I have to specify it as set1, any variable. Set1 is the variable which I am taking. Set1 equal to, we have to specify set and parenthesis. So this stands for an empty set. Empty set. We cannot give 2 curly braces for an empty set because this is an empty dictionary. So empty curly braces stands for dictionary. So we cannot specify empty curly braces for a set. We have to specify an empty set with set and a empty parenthesis. So this is the correct way of representing and this is not the correct way of representing. It's a method, it's a way of representing an empty dictionary. And suppose I have set 2 which is equal to numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So we say it's purely a set of numbers. Then we have set 3, which can have P, so we have the string. So it is a set of strings. We should have curly braces and the item should be separated by commas. And set 4, so set 4 is a set of mixed data type. It can have data of different data types. So here we can prove that by creating a set, it can be of the same data type or it can be of different data type. This is also one of the feature of the set data type. It can be the same data type or items can be of different data types. And an empty set, we should not create it with curly braces, but we should specify it as set and an empty parenthesis. So this was how we can create an empty set, set of numbers, set of strings, and a mixed data type set. Having seen creation of a set, now let's see how we can prove that sets are unordered and unindexed. Now let's see how we can call sets as unordered. So how we can call sets as unordered data type in Python programming language. Suppose I have my set 1 equal to 1, 3.14, A, and then Python. So it's a mixed data type set. It is having data of different data types. And to prove that it is unordered, let me say print set 1. So when it prints, it does not print it in the same order. It can print it in any way. So it might print 3.14 initially and then 1 and then Python and then A. So it prints it in a random way. So we say sets are unordered. We write it in one particular manner and it will print it in an unorderly manner. So we say that sets are unordered. And we cannot access the set elements like we used to do it in lists and tuples. We could access the elements of the list and tuples. But in set, since they are unordered, indexing and slicing is not allowed on the set data type. Indexing and slicing not allowed on sets, on the set data type. So we cannot access the elements of the set. This is one important point. And the another important point is we cannot change the existing values of the set. We cannot modify the existing values. So these 2 points we have to remember on the set data type. But we can add elements to the set, but we cannot modify the existing values present in the set. Hope so friends, it is clear for you that sets are unordered and indexing and slicing are not allowed on sets and we cannot modify the existing values in sets. Having covered this, now let's see how we can say sets elements are unique in nature. So how we can say that set elements are unique. Suppose I have my set 1 equal to 1, repetitions, duplicate items are there. No, 5. So this is my set in which duplicate items are there. Now if I say print my set 1, then it will print without duplications. That is 1 will be printed only once. 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So it gets printed only once. So duplicates have been removed in this particular scenario. Sets cannot have duplicate values. Their items are unique in nature. So friends, having covered this, hope so it is clear for you. The features of the set data type, how to create a set, how we prove that sets are unordered data type, how indexing and slicing are not allowed in sets, and how updation of an element is existing element in the set is not possible, and how set items are unique in nature. Hope so friends it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.